guys, and welcome back to another episode of Minecraft here from the Highcraft server. So we're back down to the command bunker today. We're going to be doing a little bit of server admin work, and today we're going to implement a new mod. The mod is a Silk Touch mod, where using a Silk Touch pick you are able to sort of pick up spawners. So I've got a little chamber right here with a spawner in there, and I just want to middle mouse click on this guy to... Oh, it doesn't work. So let's do give Gilberg. We'll do mob and then tab, and we'll go ahead and get a mob spawner. Perfect. All right, so we've got 4 mob spawners that we're going to make sure both work with Silk Touch and don't work with, like, Fortune, for example. So we're going to do just a little bit of testing. So right now, if I go ahead and put myself into game mode 0, there we go. I'm in survival mode now. So we can go ahead and do this, and it breaks. I get a little bit of XP, but yeah, it doesn't actually drop the spawner. So let's go ahead and set this back up as a zombie spawner. We'll just do this and then click there. That's how you make a zombie spawner, just in case you were unaware. We'll go ahead and put ourselves back into game mode 1, and I want to get another zombie egg. Oh, if I can spell correctly. O-M-M. There we go. All right, so now we've got all the different egg types that we're going to need for this. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the server off, install the mod, and come right back here, and we'll pick it up from there. All right, so here we are on the Bukkit website for silk spawners. This is the spawner I'm going to try, or the mod, the plugin that I'm going to try first. So there's a lot of plugin support and stuff. Now, if you're going to do this for yourself, I highly recommend, first of all, you back up your whole server. I just got done doing that. So I'm going to go ahead and install it, and then we'll jump in game and see how it all works. All right, so at this point, we should now have the spawner add-on mod installed. So let me put myself back into game mode 1, if I can spell correctly. Game mode 0, just kidding. All right, so now that we're in game mode 0, I'm going to use my silk pick and mine away, and yep, nothing happened. Okay, so let's do a new give command. We'll do /give Gilberg mob spawner. All right, we got one, and we'll just throw it right there. And let's get out our I don't want to do creeper. We'll save creeper for last. Let's grab one of those guys. Okay, so there's silk. So let me jump into the configuration and see what's going on. All right, so after a ton of messing around and trying to get permissions set up and doing a bunch of configuration, I decided that this plugin is probably not the right one. So I'm going to go out on the interwebs, try to find a different one, and we'll see if we can find one that actually works. All right, so option number 2, change Silk Touch. So this one looks really, really simple. The one thing that really attracted me to this project was it's fairly simple, and I intend to keep it fairly simple. Feature requests for anything beyond the description functionality of this plugin will likely be denied. So all this does is makes Silk Touch work on mod spawners. So this is pretty much perfect. So let me get this installed, get it running, and then we'll pick it up from there. All right, so here we are. The plugin is installed. Should be working. I'm just gonna, let's try it with the silk. Oh, that's a pretty good sign. All right, perfect. So now let's just grab our all of our different types of mob eggs. Let's go game mode 0. Okay, and let's see about, we'll throw a creeper in there. Hopefully none spawn. Creeper. Well, that's not necessarily the best. Well, shoot. Yeah, not necessarily exactly what I had hoped for, but let's give it a shot nonetheless. So we'll do, there's, what is that, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and we'll just do these 2 as creepers. All right, cool. So now if we game mode 0, actually let's get rid of these spawners real quick. Game mode 1. We'll delete these guys out, and then we'll go game mode 0. And we've got our Silk Touch, so hopefully break, 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 break it, break it, break it, break it, break it, break it, and break it. Okay, cool. So it appears that with this one, all of the mob spawners are spawning identically. So they all become pig spawners. Maybe I missed something in the configuration. Let me do a little bit of research and we'll be right back. But definite improvement because now at least the spawners drop. So in rereading this, it literally says that they will not keep their monster type. All right. Well, let's figure out another one. All right, so let's try another one. Pick up spawners. This seems pretty simple. Overall, I'm seeing very little in terms of permissions, so it should be pretty simple. You can enable, disable, enable picking up and placing. No silk. You can do it without silk. I don't want to do that. Yeah, so I think this should be fine. Let's hope it is. It hasn't been updated since 2015, and it was the beginning of 2015, so I'm cautiously optimistic. So let me get that installed, restart the server again, and with any luck, this one will work. All right, so just jumping in, and I've got my Silk Touch equipped. Let's see if it works without permissions. It does not. So now if we just do, let's see, PICK, what is it, up? Pick up spawners. Dot asterisk. Unknown. Jeez. Oh, let me do it on the console. All right, so I've placed in 2 creeper spawners, 2 skeleton spawners. I want to do 2 spider and 2 zombie. Okay, so now if we just break these, we should get different types of spawners. There. And if we look at them, we have our 2 creepers, we have our 2 skeletons, we have our 1 spider. The other one might be on the other side. Let's see. There it is. We have our 1 spider. All right, perfect. So I feel pretty confident at this point that this thing is actually working. And it seems to be working well. I was able to edit the permission groups, get everything pretty well done, and I think we're good to go. The only other thing I want to do is I want to head into the nether and make a blaze spawner over there just to make sure that it actually works in the nether. I don't want to go too crazy with this mod because, to be perfectly frank, I'm already a little leery about doing it. I have some concerns. So we'll just head up to spawn, and we're okay. I don't know why this portal's all blocked off, but whatever. And now that we're in the nether, we should, we just need to find a spot. So let's game mode 1. Let's grab a blaze egg. Cool. All right, let's grab our, these are pig spawners. Perfect. We'll just go ahead and, can't place spawners in this world. Okay, so what I need to do is modify the game file one more time, and then we'll jump right back in, and hopefully this works. All right, so I got it working. So now we can place any type of spawner we want in here, and then use, oh, I need to be in game mode 0. So there we can place it, and then Silk Touch, pick it back up, and we didn't get it back. What? Oh, yeah, we did. Okay, it went into a pig spawner. So that fixes the overworld and now the nether. However, the end may be a different story because there are no spawners that naturally occur in the end. I don't know how that's going to work. I think I should just be able to add it into the config file. So not to get in too great a detail, but inside of my hosting interface, I was able to go into the actual config file for this plugin and add like a comma after world space hyphen world underscore nether, and it was able to work. So we did manage to get it working. I think I'm going to go ahead and edit this video, get it posted, and then probably start recording an episode where DJ goes to find some spawners, because I definitely have a strong desire to get something up and running soon. So guys, I think that's actually going to do it for this episode. I do want to thank you a bunch for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know. Leave a comment down below. Hit that like button. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. Otherwise, check out my other channel, DJ Gilberg on YouTube and all the things. Facebook, social media, all that stuff. So have a great day. See you next time. Bye.